Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is the video for this 3-winner Raz. We're looking for top 3. First gets a 5-ounce silver stacker, second gets a 100 gram, and third gets a 2-ounce stacker, all by Scottsdale. We are live. 451, 451. Got the list here. We have 10 entries. Brian on the top, Brian on the bottom. 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 9 times at 451. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8 times, we got Dan, Bob, and Pete on the top. We must go 9. Good luck, wish it. 452. 452. Last and final roll. Top 3 spots gets it. First gets the 5, second gets the 100, and the third gets the 2-ounce. Congratulations goes to Pete, Dave, Dan. Congratulations, you 3. Send me a PM, and I'll get these coins out to you ASAP. We are done at 452. 452. Congratulations again. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.